Good morning, class. Today I am presenting a very interesting topic, that is our solar system. And in our solar system, in today class, we study some important and very interesting facts about the planets present in our solar system. So let's start the class. Okay, the first is the definition of the solar system. I know everyone is knowing it very well. The solar system consists of the sun, its 8 major planets, the dwarf planets, small bodies, clouds of dust and gases. It means all these are consist and made our solar system. Now in today's class we discussed only the important facts and important information about the 8 planets. Now move to the planet. Okay, now I am presenting the facts about the Mercury. And the Mercury is, as you know, this is the first planet of our solar system, very nearer to the sun. First is a year on Mercury is just 88 days long. It means when a Mercury revolves around the sun, it takes 88 days to complete one spin. Next is Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. I know this fact is known to you very well. This is the very smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is the second hottest planet. And can you guess what is the first hottest planet of our solar system? Yes, I know. Okay, we talk about the hottest planet of our solar system in our next fact. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury. In our those who are the astronomers, only 2 spacecraft are sent to the Mercury and they visited and gathered the information. And the last is Mercury has the thinnest atmosphere, thinner than even Mars. It means the environment or the atmosphere of the Mercury is very thinnest, is very lighter because of the heat he absorbed from the sun, and because of the position near to the sun, that's why its atmosphere is very thin. Okay, the next is okay. Now move to the next planet, that is the planet Mars. And these 4 planets are also known as the terrestrial or the inner planets. And we study the next 4 planets in our next video, and these planets are called outer planets because these are mostly made up of gases. Okay, now let's know the facts about the planet Mars. First is 4th planet from the sun. It is take position of 4th, smaller than Earth. It is smaller than Earth. And which planet is similar to the Earth? Okay, think. I know everybody know the answer. Next is, it is also the terrestrial planet. Mars is rocky, dusty and dry. Red iron in soil. Mars is look like red in color, and sometimes it is also called the red planet because the red iron in the soil, presence of iron in the soil, that why is due to the reaction the soil converted into the red color. And the Mars has polar ice caps like Earth, and it has also the polar areas which are covered with ice maybe. And 1 year is equal to 687 days, almost double to the Earth days. And 1 day is 24 Earth hours and 37 minutes. Temperature is minus 214 to minus 5 degree Celsius because of the distance from the sun, that it does not get very much heat and light from the sun, that's why the temperature is going to in the minus. And it has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. These are the name of its 2 natural satellites or the moon. These are the Phobos and the Deimos. Okay students, we talk about the last 4 planets in our next video. Hope you enjoy the video.